Alright, so I'm gonna show y'all how to make a beat like this today. I was actually recording this for a video on like just to hang out and cook, but I totally messed up the recording the first time. So instead, I'm gonna just run through this beat, and if y'all like it, y'all can copy it and yeah, type shit. Alright, let's not get too carried away now. I'm gonna get right into it. So basically, I got 3 different bass lines and all that, but let's just start with the melody. First sound I got, this joint right here. Super simple synth stuff. Nothing complicated. I just picked random presets and then yeah, y'all can see, and then effects, not too much. And then I did layer that with another sound, being this, which is literally a stock plugin on FL Studio. Computer tape on Flex. And that one, just literally the same. And it sounds like this. And after that, I was like, hold on, I want to add something a little more high end. So I found this kind of like bell-ish sound. I don't know how to explain it, but let me find it real quick. Wait. Wrong one. This is the bell sound. Okay, so after that, I was like, I need some high end. I found this little bell type sound. Well, it's really keys, but it's a preset I found. Y'all can copy and paste it if you really want to. These are the effects. Nothing too crazy going on. And it just sounds like this. So that just adds a little bit of added a little lead, you know what I'm saying? Throw in a little. That lead is nothing crazy either. Boom, boom, boom. That's pretty much all the sounds. And then, well, no, there's more for the melody. But then I went on to Splice and got this cool little sample right here. It's literally, I did not mess with the sample at all. I left it completely stock, but y'all can go find some samples. And if y'all want some vocal chop stuff like this, there is another video I made on how to create your own sample, where I do go through techniques on how to make kind of choppy vocal stuff. Not the exact same, but if you can't find a sample, you could reference that and make something similar. Yeah, there's that. And then I got a little where is it? This was totally unexpected. Literally just a saw wave with the chorus turned all the way up. And originally it sounded so I put gross beat on it. But originally, which it sounded like this. Which together with everything I didn't really like. It's not terrible, but I just wanted to add a little, so I just put a little sidechain gross beat on it and turn it to this. So that's really it for the melody. For the drums, I got quite a few different things going on. At the beginning, I have this little, just this little bass. Kind of follows this melody over here. And then I gave a few more variations with different 808 sounds. Don't mind me, I'm a little sick right now. But yeah, I just gave and then I have one more other bass sound actually. It's this over here. The reason I did this is because I wanted to find a way to get it to sound like new and refreshing without doing too much, and an easy way is literally to just change up the bass a little bit here and there. Oh. So y'all can see, pretty simple. And then I just layered a sub with that. Kicks, drums, all that should be pretty explanatory already. I'm not making like a beginner's tutorial, so that should make sense to y'all. And you should be able to cook something super similar to this. And then aside from that, just sound effects, risers, sweepers, like video game sound effects. There's this little thing over here, this little jump. I like this part a lot. Hold on. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's nothing too crazy.